Hello, my name is Tony. Today, the story I want to tell you is birds. Birds. The pelican has big, long beak. There is deep sack of skin under its beak. The sack holds fish that the pelican scooped from the water. This bird is road runner. Sleep in the desert and spend most of its time on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The road runner runs very fast and get its food. This toucan lives in the rainforest. It has big, long, colorful beak. It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees. This big bird is an emu. It cannot fly because it has small wings for such a large body, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. This puffin eats small fish. It is soft, short, and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of their time in the sea. They swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place. When they fly, they use the long beaks and tongues to get food from flowers. Eagles fly high above the ground. They can spot snake, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beaks to catch food and rip it apart. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feather on their hand. Many have big holes in their beaks. The holes help them to smell food from far away. That's all. Thanks for watching.